Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Kharmalim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The first meeting of the National Salesian Family Delegates for the Central American Province CAM was held on 6 July. The meeting was held in Las Carcas involving Father Oscar Rodriguez, who celebrates his 50th anniversary of priesthood this year, Father Miguel Alfaro, Father Mauricio Dada, Salesian Brother Felix Vallejos, and Father Guido Maroto. The objective of the meeting was to share the experience of animation of the Salesian family in each country of the province and to identify the challenges for such animation, taking as reference the documents of the congregation's Secretariat for the Salesian family. Likewise, the possibility of resuming regional meetings of the Salesian family was analyzed, the last of which was held in Costa Rica in 2019. This enriching experience seeks to establish a direction for activities and reflections that contribute to fully living the strength of the Salesian charism in the province. On Sunday, 9 July, the local councils of the Salesian cooperators of the three centers in Honduras met to elect the new National Council that will guide the association for the next 3 years. The National Council is composed of Coordination, Yuval Padilla, Centro Bartolome Garali, Secretariat Lourdes Contreras, Centro Miguel Rua, Administration Melvin Morales, Centro Miguel Rua, Initial Formation Martha Andino, Centro Maria Auxiliadora, Ongoing Formation Raquel Raudales, Centro Maria Auxiliadora. In Honduras, the association has 3 local centers located in 2 different cities. The funds raised by Sesto San Giovanni's Don Bosco Social Works Educative and Pastoral Community have been transformed into several concrete projects. For a number of months, students, families, teachers and Salesians at the Lombard Educational Center have collected donations worth €38,000, which will become tangible aid for social programs supported by the different sectors of the school. Several humanitarian projects will be supported from just one school on behalf of many children in 4 different countries on 3 continents. With the support of the school, for example, a bus was purchased to transport about 400 students from 30 Indian villages in rural Sayalkudi, a village in Ramanathapuram district, Tamil Nadu state, India. In this way, even the poorest families will be guaranteed continuation of their children's journey of education. Youngsters across South Asia came together at the Voices event, a platform that amplifies their voices on pressing social and personal issues. Throughout the event, the participants shared personal stories and insights, shedding light on the challenges of migration, unemployment, digital addiction, and substance addiction affecting the youth. The Voices, Giving Voice to the Voiceless, an innovative project from the Dicastery of Social Communication, Rome, was inaugurated at the South Asian level at the Don Bosco headquarters, Delhi, on July 12 as a concrete response to the proposals of Pope Francis' Global Education Pact Synodality and the Rector Major's programmatic proposals giving priority to communication at the service of the young in their precarious situation. I can't, and indeed I must continue to grow, doing good to others. These are the words of one of the Salesians involved that summarize in a single sentence the meaning of the formative experience that both the Salesian provinces of Spain, St. James the Greater SSM, based in Madrid, and Mary Help of Christians SMX, based in Seville, have just begun and which is called Ongoing Formation for Middle Age. From Sunday 2nd to Saturday 8 July, 22 Salesians from both provinces participated in a formation course, personally invited for this purpose by their provincials. What motivated and characterized their participation in this experience was their shared age between 45 and 55 years, with some beyond the range up to 58 years of age. The experience, promoted and organized jointly by SSM and SMX, develops throughout an entire year and is divided into 3 significant stages, the first of which was the one carried out in the first days of July in the small but welcoming residence of the Sisters of the Sacred Heart, RSCJ in Spanish, in Miraflores de la Sierra in the province of Madrid. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.